Look at that. Doggone it, that guy's good. No author's face better matches their style of writing than. You can always spot the dude who has no lady friend in his life. Hey, here's a fun idea. Maybe comb your hair. A fun idea. Man, oh man, you want to see somebody use language? Kellet gives a freaking master's course. I learn from that guy every time I read his comics. Listen, it's 1846. You're only going to take one photo your whole life. Comb your dang hair. His best known stories are all gothic. That means his stories all hang out smoking behind the 7-Eleven wearing all black and not answering their parents' texts. He was paid $9 for the publication of The Raven, which is delightful because that's the exact rate Huffington Post pays its writers today. The Raven attempts to show the slow descent into madness of its narrator, and if you ever had to listen to a bad actor read it at a community theater, you'll feel the same. Oh, that's great. Oh, that came from real life. You know that came from real life. Screaming out for the love of God Montresor when someone asks you to hold the elevator. Oh, is it possible to look like a character from The Matrix before The Matrix was filmed? Oh, fudge. Doggone it. Hey, this is Brad. Make sure you like that video and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you'd like to see future live stream chats. If you'd like to be part of the next live stream chat as it's happening, you can become a Patreon backer at patreon.com/Guigar. And if you'd like to hear me talking even more about comics and making a living from comics, I'm joined by my good friend Dave Kellett every week on the Comic Lab podcast. That's available any place you get your podcasts. Also, check out webcomics.com. That's a site I've been doing for nearly 10 years now with news, tutorials, information, and advice for the working web cartoonists. And don't forget, you can pick up my book, The Webcomics Handbook, at amazon.com. Thanks again, and I hope you're having a great day.